Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to introduce why we offer the lamp in front of Buddha. Because the lamp is a meaning for the brightness and the insight. So through we offer the lamp to the Buddha, actually we want to light up our inside the wisdom. Wisdom is just like a brightness. It can get away all the darkness which it ignores, and any three different poisons we call greed, ignorance, and anger. So that's why we Buddhists always want to offer the lamp in front of Buddha is we wish through offering the lamp in front of Buddha, we can gain our inner side of wisdom. So that's a brief introduction for this Buddhist knowledge. Thank you.